Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to design this YouTube channel art for makeup artist in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of YouTube channel art. So first you will import one image. You can download this kind of image from the Google, or I will also share the link in the description box. You can download from there as well. So first we will set the align of this image. First we will click on specified point, then we will align center horizontally and align center vertically. So you can see in the green area shows the TV display size, and the blue area shows the desktop maximum size. In the pink area there is a tablet size, and in the yellow area there is a mobile and the desktop minimum size. So yellow area is our main area where we will keep all the important text and the images. So first we will set the guides according to the sizes. Now we will zoom and we will set the guides perfectly. So now all the guides are set. Now we will select this image and we will delete. Now we will import the image. We have this background image. So first we will place this image. We will increase the size of this image. Now we will set the exact size of the image according to the TV display size. Now we will set the align of this image. Align center horizontally and vertically. Now we will import one more image. This is the eyeshadow image. So first we will place like this. Now we'll set the width size. Now we'll select this image. Now we'll select the transparency tool from the toolbar, and we will decrease the transparency. Now we'll select the rectangle tool from the toolbar, and we will draw a rectangle according to the desktop maximum size. Now we will set the exact size of this rectangle. Now we will select the color selector tool, and we will select the color from the image. Now we'll fill this color in the rectangle, and we will remove the outline. Now we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will go to the effects menu. Now we'll select the option blur. Now we'll select Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now we'll click on OK. Now we'll select both rectangles and we will set the align. First we will click on selected objects. Now we'll align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now again we will import one more image. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply on this rectangle. Now we will set the colors. We will select the color selector tool and we will select the color from the image. Now again we will select the color from the image. Now we'll add the color by double click on the line and we will select the color from the image. Now we will place this image. Now we will decrease the size and we will place here. Now again we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will give a white color to the outline. Now we will right click on this rectangle and we will select convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool from the toolbar and we will delete this node by double click. Now we will click on the line and we will select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. Now we will delete this node by double click and we will click on the line, then we will select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. We will make a shape like this. Now we'll fill color in this shape and we will remove the outline. I'll place here and we will double click, then we will rotate like this. Now we'll make a copy by drag and right click. Now we'll select this shape and we will go to the effects menu. Now we'll select the option blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now we'll make one more copy by Ctrl C and Ctrl V and we will drag little bit with the arrow key. Now we'll select this shape and we will give a white color. Now we'll select both and we will set the align. First we will click on selected objects. Now we'll set align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we'll select all the shapes and we will right click, then we will click on group. Now we will increase the size. Now we'll double click on this shape and we will place the center point like this. Then we will rotate with the shift key and we will reduce the size little bit and we will right click to make a copy. Again we will follow the same procedure to make one more copy. We make 4 copies like this. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar. Then we will set the font style. Now we will write the text. First we will write makeup artist. I will change the color of the text and we will give a same color to the outline also. Now we will adjust the size of the text. Now again we will select the texture from the toolbar. Now we will write the name of the makeup artist. We will give a same color to this text also. Now we'll place here and we will adjust the size. Now we have this social media icons, so we will place these icons. First we will change the color. Now we'll give a same color to the outline also. Now we'll adjust the size according to the space. So guys, our YouTube channel Art Design for Makeup Artists is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.